Alright guys, so here we have the iRobot Roomba 560 series. Comes with the wall charger, a docking station, two virtual walls, two side brushes, a 6-legged and a 3-legged, two filters, new, just like the side brushes, and a new brush cleaning tool. This 560 is in great working condition. It's in great cosmetic condition also. It has a few light scratches, but that's regular wear, no deep scratches anywhere. This Roomba does have a brand new battery inside of it, and it runs 4 or 5 cycles. That's about over an hour if you time it. It has very clean bristle and beater brush. The dustbin is very clean also. A new side brush. Overall, the Roomba is in great working condition. Check out the other videos to see how it works and a trial run of it.